Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and protecting your data. Check your Mac OS or iOS version, then run a quick backup, Time Machine or iCloud, so you can roll back if needed. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug into power. Make sure to close heavy apps and save open tabs or passwords. This prevents interruptions during install. Next, open System Settings General Software Update on Mac OS or Settings General Software Update on iPhone/iPad to see available Safari updates. You'll now download and install the update. If the installer flags low storage, free roughly 1 to 5 gigabytes by removing large files or offloading photos. This keeps the process smooth. Tap Download, then Install. On Mac OS, let the update download fully before clicking Restart to apply. Make sure you quit apps that use network or browser plugins and temporarily disable sleep or energy saver settings so the device doesn't suspend mid-install. While waiting, avoid heavy network use to keep download speeds steady. Once installation completes, verify the Safari version via About Safari on Mac or Settings Safari on iOS. Check that bookmarks, tabs, and extensions behave correctly. Make sure to re-enable extensions one at a time to confirm compatibility and clear cache if rendering issues persist. If Safari misbehaves, try restarting, reinstalling the update, or booting Mac OS in safe mode to isolate conflicts. Key troubleshooting tip: if problems continue, restore from the backup you made before updating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.